M35A2 fuel line repair. Multi-fuel return fuel lines are made out of tubing on the LDT. This tubing is that yellow tubing you see there. Also runs down there to the fuel injector pump, runs across to the flame heater and to the secondary filters. The tubing, when I first got the truck, was old and cracking and had to be replaced. So I went on MasterCard and I ordered 3/8 OD tubing right here. It's actually brake airline, air brake 3/8 OD, 1/4 inch OD, and for the little flame heater, it takes an 1/8, which is right here in my hand. All right, let's look at what this fuel line fittings look like when you take them apart. And to do that, I've already taken a little section off. All right, so you got a compression nut. You pull this off, and you're going to have this on both ends. This piece I have right here is what this looks like. Okay, you have your tubing. You have your compression sleeve. Looks like a little ring. Okay. Now, what's also important is that you have a sleeve. And I have assortment of fittings right here, but this is a sleeve for a 3/8. This is a sleeve for a 1/4. And I have a little itsy bitsy sleeve for an 1/8. It's so small I'm not even going to get it. But you can see it right there. Now when you go to replace the tubing, obviously it's plastic, you cut it to length. You're going to take your tubing, you want a nice even cut across there, not like this one. This is just for demonstration. Okay? You're going to insert your sleeve like so. And then depending on what you have, actually, put this on here first. Where were we? I would insert my sleeve at the end. Not having very good luck, but anyway, I can go over it. This one will work. Okay, so I have my fitting. I insert my sleeve in there, and I insert my compression ring, like so. Push it down in there as tight as I can get it. Twist this. And as you turn this nut right here, it compresses on the fuel line and tightens and seals. And it's important that you put these sleeves in. Otherwise, if you don't, when you tighten up on this nut right here, it'll collapse and you'll get a fuel leak. And actually, when I did mine and I started taking it apart because I had a fuel leak on the filters, I found out they forgot a couple sleeves. Military did in a couple spots. So, like I said, when you want to do that, get your tubing, cut it to length, put your compression nuts on first, then your rings or compression sleeves, and then take your sleeve and insert your sleeve in. Alright? You should have something that looks like this on each end. The fittings I got from Ferguson. The rest of the miscellaneous stuff, the air, brake hose, and all that's from McMastercar. McMastercar.com. I don't have any part numbers. That's it. Fuel line on an M35A2.